Hey folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can make some very interesting sci-fi-esque looking passageways. And you can apply this to all sorts of perspective techniques, really. It's not just about sci-fi passageways, but since that's in the thumbnail for the video, let's go ahead and take a look and see how we can make this happen. So we're going to first of all start off by making a brand new layer, and we're going to use our brush tool, and we're just going to create some type of interesting shape. It's not an enclosed shape, it's an open shape here, series of lines really. And the technique involves making a copy of this shape and then using the transform tool to scale it down. So to make a copy of this layer, we're going to hit Command J, Control J on PCs, and then we're going to hit Command T, and we're going to simply scale this in position, and we're just going to move it a smidge like so. What we want to avoid is the lines shouldn't be touching. We want to make sure that there's enough of a gap. Once you're satisfied with its placement, you can hit return. And the power move comes with Shift, Option, Command, T. This will basically apply the last transformation. You can see what it's doing right here. It's just making an infinite number of copies, or a finite number of copies in this case, of the shape that I've already created. So let me go ahead now and select all of the shapes that I've created. In the layers panel, I'm holding down the shift key and I can hit Command E, and that will merge all of these layers together. So now I've got basically something that looks like it's in 1-point perspective, and instead of actually drawing those perspective lines that go towards the vanishing point, I'm implying that by the way that these lines are arranged. So now what I can do is I can hit Command J, once again, to make a copy of what I've done, use the move tool to move it over, and I can hit Command T once again, and I can flip this guy horizontally. And you can see right away, I've got this very interesting backdrop. Now, what I really like about this is you can take this shape and you can use it as is. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to merge the two layers together, move it off to the side. I'll make a copy, once again, Command J. And this time I'll use the transform tool and I'll choose warp. And when I choose warp, I have a number of different options here. I can choose arc. That creates a little bit more of a, arc-like shape. Arc lower. I don't think flag is going to look good. We'll try shell lower. We'll try inflate. And you can try a bunch of different options. Let me just see what cylinder is going to look like. That looks kind of neat too. So you can use this to create all sorts of very interesting shapes using this particular technique. You can then connect them with lines. In my previous videos, I talked about how you can use any straight line just by holding down the shift key and making a line. And using the transform tool, you can adjust the position of that line to match what you're trying to do, and then you can use the regular lasso tool to trim, and this way you can add edges that go ahead and fill out those shapes. So very powerful technique. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. This is the power move. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you find some value and use out of this? If so, give it a thumbs up so other folks can find it. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.